Drill type learning is very popular in the language learning space, but many apps fall short of giving you the skills you actually need to hold a basic conversation. Babbel claims that by using their program, you can obtain the basic conversational skills needed for German in just 3 weeks. But can Babbel's 15-minute lessons a day really get you there? And is Babbel German the right language app for you in 2026? I put Babbel German to the test to answer those questions just for you. In the past, I thought Babbel German needed improvement in conversational practice, and now that I've tested it out, I can say that I no longer have that issue. For those of you who struggle with speaking practice, the feature alone makes Babbel German worth considering. Grammar is something many new language learners struggle with. Honestly, it isn't a strength of mine either. I've tested other programs that either make grammar lessons way too lengthy or scrap grammar entirely from their program. Babbel German I found to be great at tackling grammar. Rather than giving you a lengthy section dedicated to a full grammar lesson, Babbel German layers teaching points into their lessons with quick one-slide teaching points and small pop-up tips. This provides a good foundation of basic German grammar concepts and builds as you progress through the course. This teaching method also gives users a feel to German speech patterns without being overwhelming. For learners who aren't as easily engaged or bored from the same daily lessons, I'm here to tell you, you do not have to worry about that with Babbel German. I appreciated the extra features and bonus material Babbel German offers, like games, podcasts, short audio lessons, and a digital magazine. Another plus worth noting here is that the mobile app and desktop version are quick and easy to navigate. I hate having to investigate where everything is in a faulty app. Babbel German lays everything out for you so you can get the most out of your subscription. With drill type teaching, the lesson format is always appealing because it takes as little as 15 minutes a day to get through a lesson. Personally, I think getting through Babbel German felt rewarding because it was easy to make progress every day. If you're someone with a tight schedule, continuing your lessons every day will not be an issue. There's not a super complex, boring component to any of their lessons, and the variety in drills is pretty wide. Now, while Babbel has short, enjoyable audio lessons, there are only about 12 of them, and they stop after the newcomer course. For learners who benefit greatly from immersive audio, like those offered with Pimsleur or Rocket German, for example, this lack of audio content in the higher levels could be a drawback. Also, Babbel doesn't include video clips in their core program. Other apps like Busuu and Memrise use short clips of Fluent speakers to aid visual learners and provide context. Integrating short videos here and there would be a nice addition to Babbel's instruction that could blend right into their lesson format. But for now, you'll find plenty of images that you can start to associate with words and context. What surprised me most about Babbel German was how beneficial their review system was for making sure previous material was constantly being reinforced. When you're trying to learn survival language skills in a pinch, this is crucial. There was a verb tense I kept getting wrong, and Babbel made sure to put that at the forefront of every review session, so I could iron out those mistakes and be able to move on in my daily lessons. The teaching method of spaced repetition is effective for users for just this reason. Now, let's talk about something that's huge for me and the Guide to Fluency team: speaking practice. The goal of using any program to learn German is to be able to hold a conversation with other German speakers. How are you going to get there if the program you're using isn't pushing you to use your skills verbally? Well, with Babbel German, conversational practice was not an issue for me at all, thanks to their amazing conversational practice feature, Babbel Speak. You can practice with Babbel Speak by picking a scenario like calling a friend or asking for directions, and their AI-powered chatbot prompts your participation by asking follow-up questions and replying to your responses. Being put under pressure to respond may seem intimidating at first, but conversational practice is the best way to progress quickly in German. Without it, you could find yourself with a hefty bank of German words and phrases you can understand, but you'll totally freeze up in an actual conversation. What makes Babbel Speak stand out even more is that you do not have to pay separately to use it. Other programs charge extra for these types of conversation features, but Babbel German includes this in your subscription. And since we're on the topic, let's discuss pricing and subscription options for Babbel German. Babbel lands near the more affordable end compared to their competition. They offer 3 main plans: 3 months in length, 6 months in length, and a whole year subscription for around $8 to $15 a month after discounts, depending on how long you'd like to subscribe. For those looking to learn multiple languages, Babbel also has a one-time purchase lifetime plan for around $300, which includes access to all 14 of the languages that they offer. Babbel almost always has a discount running to bring that down to $200, so be sure to check the description down below. I'll keep that updated with their latest offers and a link to try out a full lesson before making your decision. So is Babbel German worth your money? And can you get the basics down in just a few weeks? I think the answer is a yes. Babbel stands out as one of the best all-around options for beginners and intermediate learners. The lessons are short and comprehensive. The combination of its excellent spaced review system, smart grammar instruction, and intuitive user interface make for a highly effective and enjoyable learning experience. I would highly suggest using Babbel Speak as often as you progress. It's just the kind of feature that I've been hoping for in this app. The price is super competitive too. The only major drawbacks are the lack of expansive audio lessons and video content. It's too bad that they don't offer live classes either, but there's plenty of ways to find those online nowadays. So I definitely give you a go if you want to learn German with Babbel. For a full breakdown of all the features, pricing, and our own hands-on experience, check out our full written review over on our website. All you gotta do to find that is Google Guide to Fluency, Babbel German Review. By the way, I'll be giving away a language learning subscription to one of our lucky subscribers. Just check out the details down below to learn more. It's super simple to enter. All you gotta do is like, comment, and subscribe. That's all for now. Best of luck on your learning journeys.